guys, welcome to Inspired to DIY. Today's video, I like to share 5 different ways to upgrade to your flower vase and candle holders. First idea, I'll be using the cylinders and those colorful paper straws, and I'll go ahead and start gluing the straws onto the cylinder. I'll be repeating that same step using only 8 straws around the cylinder. This idea is pretty bold and can change any regular vase to something more glamorous. To give it a little more glam, acrylic gems can also be added at the very end of each of the straws. Very beautiful with a touch of glam. Next idea, I'll be using those really tall glass and I'll go ahead and start gluing them together. For this one, I'll only be using some Mod Podge and crushed glass. I will only be adding the crushed glass where the 2 glasses meet and at the rim of each end. If you're here for the first time, it is so good to have you here. Don't forget to hit on that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my next videos. I'll be using those 2 candle holders. The idea will be to add some gold leaf to any candle holders or vase. The first step will be to add glue. I'm using some Mod Podge and later on add the gold leaf all around it. To remove any excess, I'll be using a dry brush, and voila, this one was pretty quick and easy to do. As I did not want them to stay flat, I'll be using those little legs to add at the bottom. Number 3 turned out really simple yet beautiful. For the fourth idea, I'll be using those black candle holders. I'll start by adding some gold tape to them. Next, I'll go ahead and use this beautiful pearl wrap to put on the bottom and the top part of the tape. To give this a 3D look, I'll go ahead and use those beautiful pearls and I'll go ahead and glue them all around the pearl wrap. This is such an high-end idea. For the final idea, I'll be using those glass and I will be painting them using those white matte paint as well as the cameo pink. I also sprinkle some glitter to give it a little more shine. These look like milk jugs, but they are so beautiful. Idea number 1, you can use paper straws or wooden dowel. This will definitely elevate your vase. Idea number 2, use some crushed glass and or glitter. This will definitely give your vase a glamorous look. Idea number 3, make some good use of gold leaf, as this will give your candle holder or vase an elegant look. Idea number 4, go ahead and add some 3D effect as using pearls or acrylic gems. And lastly, idea number 5, you can use paint and you have several different colors of paint you can choose from to color your vase. Overall, overall, all those projects turned out so beautiful. I hope you guys found any of them useful. If so, go ahead, give this video a big thumbs up, and if you have not, go ahead, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my next projects. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.